Okay, to set up your Google Drive, you want to first go ahead and click on your awesome screenshot and choose just capture selected area and just capture anything. We're just trying to get this set up. Click capture. Remember, if you did want to annotate, you would just hit this little back button to get to those annotation tools, but we're going to talk more about the Google Drive right now. So you're going to scroll past all of these settings. At the bottom, you're going to notice the word more. Go ahead and click on more, then scroll down again, and here's where you can save to cloud and connect with cloud storage. So click on this, then choose Google Drive as your option, choose connect with Google Drive, choose the account. Make sure that you're looking over the options so you're okay with everything, and then go ahead and click continue. And now here's where you want to make sure that you are choosing the awesome screenshot folder so you know where they're going. And then you want to check this little dot right here that says get shareable link so anyone with the link can view that. And you can choose upload right here. And now that is automatically in my Google Drive. As soon as it's done uploading, it'll actually come up here and give me the link right here. Then I can copy the link, turn it in as an assignment, email it to somebody, whatever, and then they have access to view it. All right, I want to come back to talk about this part right here where you would click to get the shareable link. If you don't want to have to click this each time, what you want to do is come up here to the awesome screenshot, come down to the bottom and click on the little options. And I would suggest actually exploring all these options because there's a lot of great features in here. But you want to scroll down to the section that says saving preferences. And right here where it says always get shareable links for screenshots uploaded to Google Drive. Go ahead and turn that so it's on. You also have the option here of changing to a JPEG or a PNG. They both can be viewed. So it's just a personal preference. So now you'll notice if I come back to my awesome screenshot and choose selected area and capture it, scroll down to save to my cloud, that is automatically checked. I still need to go ahead and save to choose the folder I want to put it in. And notice up here too, you also can change the name of what you want the name of the file to be. Maybe it's a specific date, maybe you took this screenshot to delete later, so you just want to put the word delete in it. So you can do that as well. And then once it's uploaded, it will give you that link. But then you can search for it better in your drive by the name. So just a couple other tips. So that's how easy it is to set up your Google Drive. If you have set up your Google Drive and you're having an issue with it, you want to come to this same place again, click on this little manage accounts, then you can delete your current account and start over again. Sometimes there is just a strange little glitch that happens. So I'll just come in here, delete that. It usually happens if I haven't used it in a little while. So I just wanted to mention that as well.